Hey Excel wizards, welcome back to the channel where spreadsheets meet solutions.
Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and in this session, I will cover two queries. One is from group. One of our friend has sent this uh, query, and another one is my friend has given this challenge. Okay, in this section, I will cover two things. Okay, so first of all, I will cover the group query. I will explain you actually what it is means. There is some data. Okay, there is some data. It may be a text or it may be a number. Okay, so you have to add those things. Right, this is the query from the group. Now, I will show you how to do. And this is the screen I'm going to share. Yes, done. Now, you have to add those numbers which are in this format. Okay, you have to add like this. Okay, whatever it may be had. And here is the delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but separating two characters or a two values, whatever it may be, numbers or a character, separating with one special character. It may be anything, comma, space, at the rate, percentage, everything. Okay. So here I'm going to show you how to do this one. Right. Now, see, what I have to do, what I'll do means is equal to, first of all, what I'll do, I'll separate all the numbers one side and all the delimiter another side. Okay, all the numbers one side, all the delimiter another side. Right. Mid of substitute of delimiter is a comma, ampersand, select the data. Okay, select the data. Comma, old text, the old delimiter is comma, and the new text I'm adding space. How many times? 255 times. Because 255 is the maximum number. For that reason, I'm adding those things. Substitute part is over. Okay, now coming to mid part, the starting number. What I'll do is the starting number is row of indirect, start with 1, okay, ampersand. It will not work. Just I'm showing what are the things you have to use, what are the functions you have to use to make it work. Okay, currently it will not work properly, but I will show you. Close parenthesis, and again close parenthesis into 255, comma 255. It will not work, okay? But you have to make it work, okay? F9. So it will take like this. So in row wise it is taking, so you have to make it column wise. Okay. Here you have to use one function. In this part, you have to use, because why you have to use that function, first of all, I will clarify you. Where is length part? Yes, F9. So to pick up all the numbers. So we need only the maximum number. Okay. It will not, it is expecting only the one digit, but it has given more than one digit. So make it one digit. That is by using a max function. Before that, you have to use transpose. If you use transpose, then it will convert rows to columns. Okay. Let's see, will it work? Yes. Okay. Now here also the same function you have to use, transpose. And now you have to use what I said, you have to make it a single, that two maximum what not maximum, you have to make it single, that is maximum length of the characters. Okay, maximum length of the characters. Max number one, click on it, you'll find where you have to keep the parentheses. Here it is. Okay. Now I use F9 to evaluate the function, checking whether it is working perfectly or not. Okay, F9. So it is having, I've zoomed it, for that reason some text are missing, but everything is right. Okay, so extra spaces are there. To remove extra spaces, simply use one function, trim. Trim. Okay, trim is a function where it remove extra spaces. F9. Okay, now all are text numbers. Okay, all are text numbers. You have to make it numbers by using any mathematical operator, that is double negative. F9. Some value errors are there, some numbers are there. So remove errors and we need numbers. So what you will do, if error, if you find any error in this function, show me the blank. Okay, if you find any error, show me the blank. F9. See, errors are gone and text numbers converted into a numbers. Okay, text numbers are converted into a numbers. Now simply use one function, some product can handle array. For that reason, I always use some product. And if it will not work, then in 1 or 2% some product cannot handle array. Okay, maximum it will work. So close parenthesis and simply press enter. I'm using 365, for that reason I'm using enter. You have, if you are using my 2010 version, then you have to use Control Shift and enter. This is a array function. Okay, understood, guys? If you want to make it a maximum number, then use here. Wait a minute. If F2. If you want to max, then simply use max function here. If you want to find it out, the maximum number. So 91 is the maximum. Okay, guys. Whatever is in place of some product, you have to convert into a max or a min. Okay, completed. Now coming to the challenge. Here it is. Okay. So some numbers are there. Okay, some numbers are there. No, not this one. Sorry, this one. Okay, this one. It's very simple, guys. Okay, it's very, very, very simple. So find the word, find the value which contains all 5 vowels. Okay, it should have all 5 vowels. Then only it has to desired output. Already I mentioned, like education, facetious, abstemious, precautions. These are the words which is having all 5 vowels. Now I will show you. First of all, what I'll do means I'll use search function. Search of what you want to search. I'm keeping the array constraint. It's not right. A, any small letter or big letter, it doesn't matter because I'm using search function. Okay. E, comma, I, all are in text. Okay. It doesn't matter where you're using capital letters, upper characters or lower characters. Doesn't matter because I'm using search function. Search is not a case sensitive. It will pick up wherever it finds those letters. It will pick up those things. Okay. O, comma, U. This is the only 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. Comma. Pick up this word. Search these 5 vowels in that value. Okay. F9. See. Done. Now it will pick up in the position where the 5 vowels are occur. Now what I'll do, count. Okay, count. Enter. Simply double click. And now is the logic that if this counter value equal to 5, then pick up this word. Okay, pick up this word, else blank. That's it. It's not all those, it's very simple. That's okay. Enter. Yes. That's it. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please share this type of challenges, interview questions to everyone, whoever needs. Because this may ask in some interview of the companies we doesn't know. If you will share, it may be helpful to others. Right. Thank you guys.